it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to lengthen or shorten a commercial pattern. A lot of patterns will have a line printed across them at a strategic point, and some may even say lengthen or shorten here. For some patterns, for example skirts, you may be able to just add a little bit or cut away at the bottom without needing any major alterations, but this method is good for things like sleeves where they taper at the bottom, and if you just cut off a portion it may no longer match the cuff, which is the reason why I'm doing it with this project. Cut the pattern piece in half, and then I took a pen and transferred some of the information down here so I can remember what piece this is. And this particular pattern piece has a grain line marked on it so I know how the pieces match up. But if your pattern doesn't have that, I do recommend drawing some registration marks, just so you remember how it was originally aligned. To shorten the pattern piece, overlap the two layers until it is the desired length, making sure to keep the amount of overlap even all across the pattern. Since the pieces will no longer match up, you will most likely have to smooth out the edges so there's no longer this little piece sticking out. To lengthen the pattern piece, spread out the two pieces until they're the length that you want, making sure to keep the same amount of space all along the opening. And like the other pattern, since the two sides will no longer match, you'll have to draw a line connecting the two pieces. And that is a quick intro into how to lengthen and shorten commercial pattern pieces. I hope you found this video helpful. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching!